This one, this
Oh
one, this
no, being
one.
recorded.
Which one we have to match, ma? Fat. Fat means which one? First one. Second. Okay, I'll write numbers for you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, which number we have to match for fat? Which number we have to match, children? 3. Very good. Who said this answer? Very good. 3. Okay. Okay, next is CAT. What is CAT? Cat. Okay, where is the cat picture? Which number is it?
Number.
4. Very good. Cat number 4. Good. Okay, next is hat. At hat. 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 Where is hat?
Number 18.
5. Very good, Danvin. 5. Okay. Next is bat. 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 Where is the picture? Bat. Very good, Hashni. Number 1. Okay. Next is rat. 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 Number
What is the two?
2. Very good. Number 2. Okay,
Good
well done.
morning, Vanilla ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Nitik. Nitik, will you match Nitik one more time?
Okay.
Okay, come on. First, FAT. What is FAT, Nitik?
FAT bat.
Oh, FAT.
Fat.
Fat. Where is the fat picture?
Mm,
Number.
this
Which number?
one, 3.
3. Very good. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Next is, what is this?
CAT.
Hmm. CAT.
CAT.
What is CAT? What is the
CAT.
sound of C, ma? What is the sound of C? Ka. And what is AT?
AT.
Hmm.
CAT. Cat.
Hmm. Cat. Where is cat?
4.
4. Very good. Correct? Okay, now next one.
Mm,
Next one.
hat.
Hat. Okay, where is hat?
5 number.
Correct. Very good. Number 5. Okay, next one.
Mm,
Next one.
D.
D. Yeah.
D. A.
B
T.
A T. BAT.
Mouse.
BAT. B. B at.
Rat.
But rat. Ah.
BAT beta.
BAT.
Bat.
Bat. Where is bat?
1 number.
1 number. Very good. Okay, next one. This one.
R.
Hmm.
A. T.
Hmm.
Rat.
Rat. Where is rat?
2 number.
Number 2. Very good. Very good, Nitik. Well done. Okay, children. We are moving to the first picture. Okay. Come on, read it out, children. Who is going to read now? Karthikeyan.
What?
Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan. Yeah. Come on, read it out. Cat. No, not like that. Sound. Cat. 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 Cat.
Cat.
Next one.
Bear.
Hmm. Bat. Okay, next one. Hmm. What is AT, ma? Hmm. At. Hmm. R. Hmm. 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 Aya. Hmm. HAT cap. At hat. Okay, Kavyani. Okay, very good, ma Karthikeyan. Kavyani. Kavyani. Come on, read it out, Kavyani. Ka at cat. Like that. Yeah, good morning, Dev Krish.
Cat.
Hmm.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hmm.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Zadi.
Good morning.
Hmm. Yeah, good morning, Maritvik. Hmm. Hmm.
What is this, ma'am?
RAT, what is this picture? RAT, rat.
That.
Rat. Next one.
H
Hmm.
A
Hmm.
T
Hmm.
hat.
Hat. Very good. Ritvik, come on, read this, ma Ritvik. Very good, Kavyani. Ritvik, come on, read it out.
Cat.
Hmm.
Bat.
Hmm. Hmm. At. Next. L. At.
Rat.
அப்புறம் next one. Sorry.
Cat.
At hat. Very good, very good. Dev Krish. Dev Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read it out.
C-A-T. Cat.
Is this the way you read? At cat.
Hat.
At.
Cat.
Next
Hmm.
one.
Bat.
At bat. Okay, next. அடுத்தது.
Mat.
Okay. Next.
Rat.
Action வேண்டாம்.
At hat. Very good, Dev Krish. Okay, children, we'll start our session. We'll continue it later, okay? Okay, who is going to say Kidzi anthem today? Who is going to say Kidzi anthem, children? Yes. Tell me who is going to say, children, then don't cry that I didn't call you. Who is going to say? Sorry? Okay, Vivan. Come on, Vivan. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Kavyani, tomorrow, sorry, on Monday, I want you to say Kids Anthem, Kavyani. Okay? Yeah, good. All of you join your hands, children. Stand up, join your hands, and close your eyes. Yeah, come on, start, ma. Kids Anthem. You're the wing.
I need my past. You guys need my protect. Yes. You guys pick so my I can yes.
Yeah, very good. But if you say even more slowly, no, it will look even more good. Okay? Thank you so much, Vivan. Thank you, everyone. As all of you, next warm-up activity is month of the year.
Okay.
Yeah, good morning, Ma Vidyut. Month of the year, who is going to say month of the year?
I'm Tanika six.
Yeah, okay, Tarnika, come on. Come on, Tarnika today, okay? Wait. All of them stand up. I'm watching you, everyone. Most of you are sitting. Yes? I want all of you to stand up and jump for 12 times. Okay, come on, stand up, everyone. Yes, ready, ma? Start, Tarnika.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Very good. Well done, Tarnika. Okay, all of you now, shall we do the activity rhyme? Ready for the activity rhyme? Yes? What shall we sing? You want roly poly, or if you are happy and you know it, or what rhyme you need? Come on, it's Dave Krish choice today. Yes? Dave Krish, what rhyme you need, ma? Roly poly, or if you are happy and you know it?
Roly poly or happy?
Okay, for Dave Krish, you can say one more time. Come on. Months of the year. Ready? Ready? I'm
Very
starting to
bad.
count it. Come on. Ready? January. Come on. Come on, ma Dev Krish. Dev Krish.
Krish, don't do like this. Come on, then.
Dev
Come on.
Krish.
One more
See
time. Come
here.
on.
You should not often become like this, ma.
Okay.
Dev
Month
Krish.
of the
Look
year.
at
Come on,
ma'am,
come
Dev
on.
Krish first. Yeah, you'll obey ma'am, right? Yes or no? Dev Krish. See, everyone are waiting for you. Everyone are waiting for you. See, all of them are standing. Come on, ready. January, come on, start. Ready, steady, go. Come on, start. Come on, Dev Krish.
Come on, baby. No. Ma'am, இவ்வளவு சொல்றாங்கல்ல.
Take it easy, Dev Krish. Come on.
You should respect Dave, okay? Come
Yeah,
on,
you're my
January.
rock star, right? Come on. Stand up.
January.
Ready,
Uh,
January. Then I'm going to say. If you're not going to say, I'm going to say. See, everyone started jumping also.
this is
Ready,
not a good habit,
steady,
Dave.
ready, steady, ready, steady, ready, steady,
Do it,
ready,
Dave.
steady. Come on, go. Come on.
Go. January.
January. Okay, ma'am will say you jump. Okay? Will you jump, Dev Krish?
Okay.
No, wa?
Jump.
If you're not going to do it, I'm not going to talk with you.
Jump.
Okay, rhymes or option என்ன rhymes ன்னு சொல்லிடு. Dave, this is not fair, Dave.
Okay. Don't scold him. He'll come. He'll be okay. Don't scold him. Okay, sit down, ma Dev Krish. Sit down. Okay, don't worry, okay? Okay, children, rhymes. Roly-poly rhymes, are you all ready? Yes. Now, today, ma'am is going to say only the word. You are going to do the action. Ma'am is not going to do big, small and all. You are going to do it correctly and I'm going to watch you. Okay? Roly-poly. Right. Roly-poly, left. Roly-poly, front. Roly-poly, back. Kavyani, where is your back action? Do your action, ma Kavyani. Roly-poly, up. Roly-poly, down. Down, how will you do? Okay. Roly-poly, big. Roly-poly, small. Roly-poly, fat. How will you do the fat action? Fat, okay? Roly poly, thin, thin, thin. Roly poly, tall, tall, tall. What is the action for tall? Very good, Vidyut. Good boy, Vidyut. Tall, tall, tall. Height like this, okay? And roly poly. Short, short, short. Roly poly. Sit, sit, sit. Sit, sit, sit. Roly poly. Stand, stand, stand. Roly poly. What is this? What is this, children? Open. Well done. Roly poly.
Close.
Very good. Roly poly. Slowly. I didn't see Dave Krish doing it slowly. Slowly. Roly poly. Fast. Very good. Okay. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap your hands, children. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Naitik, turn around means you're shaking your head. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Unmute and shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Very good. Okay, children, rocket rhymes. Ready for the rocket rhyme? Rocket, going up in space. With the white moon it will race. To all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket high. Yes, Kavyani, you will sing?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, sing, Kavyani.
Rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will race. All the people say goodbye. Goes the astronaut in this rocket high.
Well done. Perfect pronunciation. High five, Kavyani. Well done. Good girl. Okay, next. Dev Krish will sing.
Yes.
Very good, Dev Krish. Come on. That's my boy. Come on.
Rocket going up in space. With the white moon, it will race. You all the people say goodbye. Go the astronaut in this rocket. Hi.
Hi. A small smile. No smile, huh? Yeah, good. Very good. Thank you. High five. High five. Yeah, well done. Okay, next who is going to sing? Who is going to sing, children? Next. Ashni.
Yes.
Ashni or Danvin? Who is going to sing?
With the white moon, it will race. All the people say goodbye. Go the astronaut rocket. Hi.
Very good. Danvin.
Rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will race. So all the people say goodbye. Goes the astronaut in rocket. Hi.
Very good. Next who is going to sing? Yeah, Tarnika. Come on. Okay, Tarnika. Next, Janavi. Okay.
Rocket,
Janavi, wait, ma. Tarnika, finish.
the white moon it will race. To all the people say goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his
Very good, Tarnika. Okay, next is Janavi.
Rocket, rocket, going up high.
Going up in space. With the white moon, it will race.
All the people say goodbye.
Mm.
Only astronaut in rocket high.
Miss Rocket, hi. Very good. Well done, Janavi. Okay, next
Ma'am,
who is going
Vidyut
to
wanted
sing?
to try, ma'am.
Yeah, come on, try it with you. That's good. Come on.
Rocket,
Sound type it.
rocket, rocket.
Going up
Wait,
with the white moon,
try to
it will race.
To all the people saying goodbye,
Saying goodbye.
say goodbye.
goes the astronaut
Astronaut,
In this
in his rocket. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Pranita, come on, Pranita. Okay, come on, come on.
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you, ma'am. Rocket,
Okay, well done, ma.
rocket, rocket, going to high.
Go- Going up in space. Okay.
Which will people?
With the people, ah. Well, rocket will race with the people, ah. With the white moon, it will race.
Good.
People, all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket. Hi. Okay. Very good attempt, but on Monday you sing correctly. Okay. Thank you, Pranita. Zeddy, are you going to sing, Zeddy?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Zeddy.
Rocket, rocket,
With the white moon.
Yeah, Nitila, wait pa, Nitila. Zeddy, finish.
बोलना
जल्दी करो Zeddy.
Face. Yours बोलो इधर आके. With the white moon. With the white moon. It will race.
It will race to all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket. Hi.
Goodbye ऐसे करो.
Nitik, sit in your chair. Nitik, you'll fall down. Next is Nitila.
With
In
the
the
white with the white moon.
With the white moon.
चलो.
With the white moon, it will race.
चलो. All the people saying
The
goodbye.
people saying goodbye. Yes, nodding your head like this. Ah. When will you sing?
और चलो मैं
When will you sing? Come on, sing.
Tracy.
To all the people saying goodbye.
Goes the astronaut.
Goes the astronaut in his rocket. Hi. Nitila, you must not feel shy, Nitila.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good girl. Okay, children, now we are going to have a small recap of the sound which I taught you last week. Sorry, on Tuesday. Yes, 3 sounds I taught you. What was that? Can you tell me? Very good. Okay, now I'm going to write the word here. Okay, children, listen. Now I'm going to write the word here. You are going to do the action and say the sound. Okay? What is the sound of this? Vidyut. Do the action, Vidyut. What? Cha action is digging your nose. No. What is the action of cha? Cha, cha, cha. Okay? Good. Okay, next. Anyone? Very good, Dave Krish. But your finger on your mouth. And you should say, okay? Shh. Very good, Danvin. And then what is the sound of this? Ta. Very good, very good. Now, 2-letter words, okay? What is it? At. Very good. At. Very good. Very good. Okay. As. Very good. IF. Alpha. Darshika. Is it F, Darshika? What is the sound of I?
In
E,
front.
no? IF is. Okay. And then here. Good morning, Rohita. IN. In. Very good, Rohita. Very late today, va?
Sorry, Vanilla ma'am. She's
It's okay,
sleeping.
it's okay, it's okay. Please don't say sorry. It
Now
happens,
only
it's
she
okay.
now only
I know
because she
about her.
fast.
She'll be regular. She'll be very regular. I know about that. No issues. Okay. IS.
She fastly ready, ma'am. Vanilla
IS.
ma'am come she fastly ready అయింది.
For that only I didn't take my attendance also. I'm waiting for her. IS.
చెప్పు ma'am.
IS children. What is IS? Is. IT. 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 Okay. And then OF. OF. Oh, very good children. You all learnt very well, huh? ON. On. Well done, Darshika. Very good children. Okay, time for attendance. Darshika.
My name is
Darshika.
Darshika. Studying Jude KG.
Very good, Darshika. Devarakshita. Absent. Dev Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
Attendance, ma.
Attendance.
I am studying in Jude KG.
Danvin.
My name is Danika.
Danvin. Danvin.
My name is Danika. I am in Jude KG. I am 4 years old.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dikshan.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Dithin. I am 4 years old. I am studying in Junior KG.
Very good, Dikshan. Farnaz. Absent. Hashni.
My name is Asani. I am studying in Junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Janavi. Fast, children. Tell me your attendance very fast. Come on. Janavi.
Junior KG. I am 6 years old.
Very good.
4 years. Thank you, ma'am.
Kartikeyan.
Here I am, ma'am. My name is Kartikeyan. I am 4 years old.
Okay. Kavyani.
Here I am, Manila, ma'am. My name is Kavya. I am studying. I'm 4 years old. I'm
Very good.
critical.
Very good. Naitik.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Naitik. Nukshita. Nukshita. Absent. Okay. Pranita.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I am Pranita. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Pranita.
Old.
Good. Rohita.
My name is Soigan Forest. I am junior KG.
Huh? Something you are saying. Okay. Ritvik. Okay. Well done. Ritvik.
Good, ma'am.
Still sleepy, Rohita. Ritvik.
I am listening.
Nitila. Nitila.
My name is Nitila.
Nitila.
Nidila.
I'm studying
I'm studying in junior KG.
in English.
I'm 4 years old.
Very good, Nitila. Satvika. Okay. Siddharth. Tarnika. Tarnika, come.
Tanika, I am studying in junior KG.
Tilakar. Vishank. Hey, Vishank, you joined, ah? Good morning, Vishank.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
My name is Fushank. I'm studying in junior KG.
Okay, what is my name?
What is my name?
Hey, are you thinking to say my name? Going to kick your nose. Huh? What is my name?
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Vanilla, ma'am.
Okay. Tilakar. 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 I think Tilakar joined.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on, Tilakar. How are you, Tilakar?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Okay, tell me your attendance. Come on. My name is Tilakar.
My name is Tilakar.
Hmm.
Alan told years old.
Studying in junior KG. Oh. Okay, Tilakar. I'm marking you. Okay. Vivan. Very good. Vidyut. Vidyut. Come on, Vidyut. Vidyut Parekh. Aha, why so fast? Zedi? All you said and keeping your hand in your mouth. Said so fast. Zedi?
Yeah, ma'am. My name is Jedi. I am 4 years old. I am studying junior KG.
Okay, Lakshana.
I am.
Okay, you're a kidsy girl only. Lakshana. Lakshana, I'm marking you since I saw you in the morning. Okay, ready. Okay, children. Now, children, what are the types of pollution we learned in last class?
Land pollution, water pollution, air pollution.
Very good. 3 types of pollution. First one is air pollution. Second one is land pollution. And the third one is water pollution. Okay. Now, ma'am is going to show you a picture. You have to describe about that picture, children. Are you all ready for that? Yes, everyone should take turns and you have to say about that picture. Okay. Can you all see this picture? Everyone able to see my picture here? Yes? Okay, now where is the air pollution, children? Where can you see the air pollution?
This is
Hmm. Which is air pollution here? Come on, point it out in your screen. Parents check whether they are able to point it out correctly. Air pollution, point it out in the screen, children. Parents, please check whether they are pointing it out correctly. Air pollution. Where can you see the air pollution, children? Point out in your screen, children. Where is it? Okay, is ma'am showing it correctly here? Can you see the arrow here? This is air pollution. This is air pollution. Yes or no?
Oh,
Is this air pollution? No. Okay. Okay. This is air pollution. This one. See the arrow here. Can you see the arrow here? Yes. You can see lot of smoke from the factory. Right. So this is air pollution. And where can you see the water pollution? Yeah. Where is water pollution? Yes. What are the activities done here to pollute the water? Come on, tell me.
this is the water.
Okay, water only, ma. What are they doing in the water? How are they polluting it? What are the people doing in water?
Ma'am, this is
Anyone? Can anyone tell me what are the people doing in water? Okay, washing clothes. Then,
Ma'am.
then what, ma? Washing animals, bathing animals. Okay, very good. Whoever it is. And then,
Mommy,
and then.
like this.
See, 2 ladies, what they are doing here? They are washing their clothes and they are polluting the water. Another one, here can you see, children? What is coming out of this? What is coming out of this pipe? Yeah, chemical waste from this factory. It is coming out and it is mixing up with this water. Okay, so only the water is getting polluted. Okay, and then next land pollution. Can you see where is land pollution here?
The land pollution.
Where is the land pollution here? Here. Dustbin, garbage. Here you can see, yes? See here burning the garbages, and then you can see lot of garbage here. It is coming out of that bin, and here and all on the land itself you can see down lot of garbage is there. Yeah, mute yourself, Rohita. I'll call you. Yeah, mute yourself, ma, Rohita. I'll call you.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes, ma. Mute yourself, Rohita.
ma'am, what is it?
Which one? Which one you are asking?
No, I don't know.
Okay, you mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay, good girl. Okay, you can see lot of land pollution here. Another one pollution is also here. That is noise pollution. What do you mean by noise? If you hear a lot of sound, what will you do, children, automatically? If you hear a high frequency sound, what you children will do? Yes, if your neighbor is playing lot of sound music, what you will do? You will automatically close your ears. Very good, Dev. You will automatically close your ears. And if you are hearing anyone bursting crackers, that is loud sound crackers and all, what you will do? You will be afraid and you will automatically close your ears, right? So that is noise pollution. Okay, see here from this mic also, loudspeaker also, you are getting too much of noise. So that is also a noise pollution. And here in this car, the people inside that car, they are blowing the horn continuously. If anyone is blowing the horn continuously when you are going in a vehicle, what you will do? You will get irritated, right? You will look back and then you will close your eyes, everything you will do, right? So that is also noise pollution. So totally there are 4 pollution. First was air pollution. Second is water pollution. Third is land pollution. And finally the fourth one is, what is the fourth one? What I taught you? Fourth one?
Noise pollution.
Yeah, good. Noise pollution. Too much of noise. It's called noise pollution. Okay. So now what are the remedies for that, children? What are the remedies for that? What we should do to avoid all these pollution? First is you have to use the dustbin. Okay. And then if you are going to short distances and all, you should not take your bike and all and go. You should go by walk. Okay. And then carpool. What is carpool, you know? In spite of going a single person in a car, if your neighbor is seeking some help from you, you can also give them lift. You can also take them in that car. Okay. And then this is timely PUC check. What is timely PUC check? Checking the smoke, okay, that is coming out of that vehicle, okay. And then plant trees. When you plant trees only, we'll get more oxygen. Okay. Next is save electricity. Unnecessarily do not use electricity. When you are not in that place, please switch off everything. Unnecessarily don't switch on your lights, don't switch on your fan and all, okay. If it is not in use, switch it off, okay. Then save water. Okay, don't waste too much of water. How much water you need, only use that much of water. And then recycle, reduce, reuse and recycle. Yes, nowadays we can see our garbage truck itself, they have divided it into 3 bins and they are asking us, is it reusable waste or what is that? Plastic means we have to put it separately, and then biodegradable and degradable waste and all. We are segregating it and we are giving it to the garbage truck also. So that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay, children. Ma'am is going to come back. Okay, shall we move on to our worksheet? Today's worksheet, we are going to see a new shape, children. I want you to take worksheet number D97MT. D97MT. D97 empty. Numbering worksheet, what we have not done till 70, I ask all the parents to complete it. Okay, we have done till 68 or 67, I don't know. So till that, after that you will have till 70, you will have worksheet. That I request you to finish it. Here you have a shape that is pentagon, children. Okay, and pentagon has 5 sides. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ma'am, which page number, ma'am? Sorry.
D97 empty.
D97.
D97 empty. Today's date is 27. Eleven 2020. Join the dots, make a pentagon and color it, children. Kavyani, are you ready for talk time, Kavyani, today? Kavyani?
No, ma'am.
No, why, ma'am? Already it was on Monday.
Totally forgot now.
Why, ma? Forgot. You should not say like this, right? On Monday, I want you to finish your talk time, definitely. Okay? Should not skip it, ma. Others have to also come and say, right? Yes or no?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan.
No, ma'am.
Why, ma'am? Only night it finished on that day. Why? Why Karthikeyan's mom?
I totally forgot, ma'am.
Okay, on Monday, I want you to finish it. Okay?
Ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Okay, no issues. Children, finish this pentagon shape. Color it also, children. Tilakar. Tilakar. Yeah, Tilakar, you can do this sheet, ma. D97, it's in book 3. You can do it. Show me your right hand, let me see. How is your right hand, Tilakar? Is it okay? Right. Which is your right hand? Which is your right hand? Right hand. That is right hand. That's it. Okay, come on. Finish. Very good, ma. Janvin Sai, very good. Those are finished the pentagon worksheet. I want you to take this worksheet. It's D98 LT. Light green and dark green we need for this worksheet. Come on. Danvin, bring your light green and dark green crayon and show me which is light green and which is dark green.
Sorry?
எடுத்து காமி மேம் கிட்ட.
Ma'am, light
Hmm.
green, dark green.
Show me properly, ma'am. Not able to see. Lift it up.
தூக்கி காமி. சொல்லு.
Light green,
Ah,
dark green.
very good. Good.
Ma'am, Tanika finish.
Yeah, take this worksheet, ma. D98 LT.
Ma'am, finish.
Very good, Devkrish. LT worksheet. D98 LT. You'll have light green and dark green. Take your light green and dark green crayons. Children, you have capital G and small g here. Okay, so capital G you have to color it with dark green, and small g you will color it with light green. Okay, so here you can see dark green, capital G and all you have to give dark, and small g it is given here, small g you have to color it with light green here and here and all light green. Okay, see carefully and color it, children. Light green and dark green. Capital G, you will color it with dark green, and small g, you will color it with light green. First, finish your dark green, that is capital G. Finish your capital G first. Then you can color the light green space. Okay? Come on, Devkrish, start coloring. First, tell me which is light green and which is dark green, Devkrish. Which is light and which is dark?
This is dark green. This is light green.
Okay, very good. Tarnika also, which is dark and which is light?
Light green, dark green.
Light green, dark green.
Yeah, I think you are, that is light or dark, ma?
This is both looks dark. This is light.
Both looks dark. Color it and see. I don't know. That's what it's looking same only, both the crayons. Okay, good. Good. Who else? Children, those who are going to do this sheet, first please tell me which is light green and which is dark green. Then only you have to do this worksheet. Okay, Karthikeyan, come on.
Right, to check.
Just show me, ma, Janavi. Without showing, you are saying light green, dark green. What is that?
Dark green.
Dark green, light green.
Light green.
Good, very good.
Yeah,
Yeah, Rohita, tell me which is light and which is dark.
Malian check.
Which is light and which is dark, ma?
Green.
Rohita.
Right, Malian check.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, show me which is light and which is dark.
Ma'am, this is a dark green. This is a white green.
Light green.
White, white green, ah.
Light green.
Light green, okay? Okay, good. Ritvik, show me Ritvik, which is light green and which is dark green.
Okay, చూడు. Capital G చూపించిన
Mute yourself, ma, Rohita. Light, dark, ah. Very good, Ritvik. Good. Karthikeyan, Mithila. First, light green. Show me your light green. Which is light green? Okay, now which is dark green? Okay, now color accordingly, children. First, color all your dark green. That is capital G. Very good, Mithila. Capital G part you have to color first. Then color your small g, that is with light green. Okay? Yeah, Kavyarni. What happened, Janavi? Why always fighting with mama? Saying that you should not hold the pencil also, va? Janavi's mom. Huh? Janavi's mom, how are you handling her?
Double tapaka offer, ma'am. Always for me.
Very difficult. Slowly color, Jahnavi. Very good, Rohita. Good. Sit in color. Why are you standing? Sit in color. Sit down and color. Very good. Finished. Very good, ma Pranita. Well done. Beautiful. Good. Dhanvin. Very nice, Dhanvin. Very beautifully done. Good. Very good. Okay. Others finish coloring. We'll finish. I'll finish off with this sentence reading. Dhanvin. Dhanvin. Dhanvin, you're not there. Lakshana finished. Very good, Lakshana. Good. Well done. Good girl. Come on, read it out.
Finish, ma'am. I'm a boy.
Very good, Tarnika. I am a boy.
I'm a girl.
Mm.
I'm a dog.
Mm.
Dog.
Ah.
I'm a cat.
Mm.
அது என்னது லாஸ்ட் ஐமா அது பார்த்து சொன்னா
Bat.
What bat? I am a bat.
I'm a bat.
Okay, next.
I'm a ball.
Aha. Everything you saw with I am, so this is also I am. Very good. Very good, Kavyani. Light green you have colored? Light green you have colored?
Boy. Mom.
Very good, ma.
She's a boy. A girl.
Good, Nitila. Very good, ma.
She's a girl.
Very good.
I think it. I guess it's.
நெக்ஸ்ட்
Be
என்னது ஃபுல்லா சொல்லு பாட் பாட்டா சொல்லு மேம் ஃபுல்லா சென்டென்ஸ் சொல்லு
It is a ball.
It's a ball.
நெக்ஸ்ட்
It is a car. It is a
அது
cup. It is a
ஓவா அது என்னது
It is a va.
ஓவா அது என்னது
ant.
An ant. Okay?
பாடு அங்க பாத்து படி
She the cat.
படி பிஹெச்சி
The
த
cat.
அங்க பாத்து படி தம்பி
Dhanvin.
அங்க பாத்து
Something like magnet you are going sticking with your mama. Come on, look at the screen and read.
Cat.
The cat
cat
is
ஐஎஸ்
Is
very good, ma Dikshan.
on.
Is on
ஆன்
On.
THE
ஆ
the
mat
MAT
Mat.
MAT mat. Okay. Okay, children, how many of you finished, children? Okay, thank you, Dhanvin. How many of you finished? Still, who is writing? Who is coloring? Finish, Naitik. Daddy finished, Mummy finished. Who finished? Ma, Naitik. Naitik.
Yes, ma'am.
Naitik, tell me what is the vowel in this sentence? What are the vowel in this sentence? Vowel. What are the vowels? A, I, O. Then is a vowel. What is that? Okay, tell me first. What are the 5 vowels? Mm. 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 U. Okay. Can you see A here? Yes or no? A, can you see? Yes. Okay. Then can you see E here? Then why you didn't say E? You said only A, I, O. E is also there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now read this sentence.
Mighty.
Mm.
T-H-E.
Mm.
The
Mm.
C-A-T. Cat.
Mm.
I-S. If.
Mm.
O-N. On.
Mm.
T-H-E. The.
Mm.
M-A-T.
Mm.
Mat.
Mat. Very good. Dev Krish, read this sentence, ma.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Come
read
on.
the sentence. Read the
C.
sentence. First, what is this?
T-H-E. The.
Next. This.
Cat.
Mm.
I-S. Is.
Mm.
On.
Mm.
T-H-E.
Mm. Mm.
The.
Mm. What is this? See the picture here and read the sentence.
M-A-T.
M-T.
M-A-T.
M-A-T. Mat.
Very good. Sentence. The
The cat
Cat
is
is
on the
the
mat.
mat.
The cat is on the mat.
The cat is on the mat.
Very good, Dev Krish. Janavi. Janavi. Come on, Janavi.
Read the sentence.
The. One by one, you have to read, ma, Janavi. Mm.
Cat is on the mat.
Wow. Cat is on the mat. Very good. Next is Vishank. 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 Vishank is not here. Tarnika, read this sentence, ma.
The cat is on the mat.
Very good. Ritvik. Ritvik.
Ma'am, Vishank is here, ma'am.
Okay, come on, read this, Vishank.
Read this.
Hmm.
T-H-E.
The
The
Hmm.
C-A-T.
Hmm.
C-A-T.
C-A-T. Cat.
Hmm. Very good. I-S.
I-S.
Hmm.
Is.
Hmm. O-N.
O-N.
Hmm.
In.
On.
O-N is inna. O-N.
On.
On.
What is this?
T-H-E.
The
The.
The. M-A-T.
M-A-T.
Hmm.
This is a
mat.
Oh, the cat is on the mat. Very good, Vishank. Vidyut. Vidyut. M-A-T mat. M-A-T mat, M-A-T cat. Huh? Come on, what are the words you know here? Read it out and tell me. You need not read the sentence, ma, Vidyut. Whatever you know, you say. What is IS? Yeah, very good, Rohita.
Thank you.
IS. What is IS, ma, Vidyut?
Ma'am, he's reading small c, small a, something like that.
Oh, that is reading. Ah, okay, read. By the time I'll finish with everyone and I'll come. Rohita, come on, finish this.
Small a
Angana, yes, C-A-T, cat. Angana,
kitty cat.
Okay.
Under the mat.
అప్పుడు చూసాను
Under the mat. With cat.
cat is
Cat.
O-N, correct.
What is this, Rohita?
And on.
On.
Mm.
Kitty mat.
Very good, Vidyut. Well done, Vidyut. Next is Rohita. You are welcome, Vidyut. Rohita.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్ చెప్పు
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Karthikeyan. Very neat, Karthikeyan.
Cat is on the mat.
Very good, Rohita. Very fast. Karthikeyan, read out the sentence. Karthikeyan. The.
The
Hmm. Hmm?
cat.
Hmm. Cat.
On
Hmm.
the
அங்க வச்சிருங்க
mat.
Very good, Karthikeyan. Okay, next is Ritvik. Are you there, ma Ritvik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on, read this fast, Ritvik.
The cat is on the mat.
Very good, Ritvik. I didn't expect this from you. Very good, Ritvik. Darshika. Darshika. Come on, read this one.
ma'am.
Rohita, mute yourself, ma Rohita.
Yeah.
Come on, children.
The
Hmm.
cat
Hmm.
is
Hmm. Hmm.
on
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
under the
Under the on the
mat.
mat. Very good, Darshika. Okay, anyone who wants to read? Dikshan, come on, Dikshan. Yeah, Dikshan, next Pranita, okay?
The cat is on the mat.
Very good, Dikshan. Very good. Pranita. Hmm. The cat is on the mat. Very good, Pranita. Well done. Okay, next who else? Anyone who wants to read? Zadi, Lakshana, Nitila. Nitila, can you read, Nitila? Nitila, can you read?
சத்தமா என்ன லெட்டர் இது என்ன லெட்டர்
What is IS? Nitila, what is IS? IS?
மேம் கேக்குறது
Is
IS. ON?
on.
On. Very good. THE?
சிகிச்சை என்னப்பா மேம் சொல்லுங்க
Very good, Nitila. You are aware of all these words, very good. Well done. If you are not reading the sentence also, okay. But first you read all these words, okay? Okay, thank you so much, children. Thanks for cooperating for such a long time. Thank you so much. Bye, children. Bye, everyone. Yeah, bye, everyone. Yeah, bye, everyone. Tilakar, stay. Nitila, stay. And then Lakshana also stay. Others you can leave. திலகர்ஸ் மாம்.
சொல்லுங்க மேடம்.
எது வரல முடிச்சிருக்காங்க அவங்க ஒர்க் ஷீட், அது கொஞ்சம் காட்ட முடியுங்களா? லக்ஷனா அம்மா
சொல்லுங்க மேம்.